Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use the Dewey Decimal System. This is a system that libraries use to organize the books on their shelves. If you know how to use it, you can know how to locate any book that you want just by a series of numbers and letters. First, I will show you how to use the Dewey Decimal System, and then I will show you how to use it in a real library.
This is called a call number. It could tell me exactly where I can find the book and some other important information about it. First, call numbers always start with a 3-digit number. Each section is divided into hundreds that represent a certain subject. This one happens to be in the 900s. Then, it is subdivided again into the tens and ones places. Then, it is followed by a space, a capital letter, more numbers, and finally, a lowercase letter. If the book is in a series, it will often be followed by BK.1 or BK.2 to tell you what number in the series it is. Here is another example of a call number for a Harry Potter book that is written in Italian. It begins just the same way as the other one, but it is subdivided even further. The HPA gives me a clue that it is Harry Potter. The 2006 tells me the year that it was published, and the ITA at the end gives me a hint that the book is written in Italian. This may sound confusing now, but it will all make sense once we get into the library.
Now I will walk you through step by step how to use what we just learned in a real library setting. I will be searching for the Harry Potter book that we just talked about.
First, we start with a 3-digit number, 823. Look at the guides on the side of the bookshelves to see which aisle it would be in. Now that I see 823, I need to look for R. I know that it is going to be in this aisle because our call number falls between 823P and 823.08. Next is the R797 HPA. I'm going to walk down the aisle until I find the R's, which will be in alphabetical order, and then look for the number 7. Once I find 7, I am going to follow the books with my finger until I find 97 HPA. Next, I look for the year 2006. It is possible that there will be more than one book with the same call number up to this point, but we are looking for Italian. I find ITA, and there it is on the right-hand side. Congratulations! You found your first book!
Using the Dewey Decimal System can take lots of practice and be tricky to get the hang of. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Have fun searching!